Most important bits of English literature. This is the third video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it. Aesthetism. It was flourished in France, roots in the German theory of Kant. The main idea of aesthetism, the end of a work of art, is simply to exist and to be beautiful. Aesthetism, the slogan of aesthetism, art for art's sake, is the most important bit. Maybe aesthetism was introduced into England by Walsh-Pater. Aesthetism writers Oscar Wilde, Symonds, Dawson, Lionel Johnson. And the second one is effective fallacy. It is the error of evaluating a poem by its effects, aspects, especially its emotional effects upon the reader. The age of sensibility. The period between the death of Alexander Pope 1744 and the publication of Lyrical Ballads 1798. It is also called the Age of Johnson 1709 to 84. And last, the allegory. It is a narrative in which characters and action signify a second correlated order of persons, things, concepts, or events. Example, Bunyan's Pilgrims, it is an allegory of ideas.